Want to practice Arabic writing? In this video you will write words that contain the letter
غين.
Are you ready? Let's start. In this lesson, we will introduce the letter
غين.
Its sound is similar to the sound you make when you gargle, a sound that comes from a point deep in the throat. Listen carefully.
غين. غين.
Sounds like the combination GH
عين.
and
غين.
look very similar except that
عين.
has no dots and
غين.
has one dot on top. Now try to write it with me. You will find everything you need about the letter
غين.
how it looks like, its shapes, depending on its position in a word and some Arabic words. Let's see the three basic voweling signs, when used with
غين.
First, here's the Fathah, the pronunciation now will be
غ.
Next this is a Kasra, the pronunciation now will be
غ.
And finally, there's a Dammah, it, now pronounced as
غ.
Listen again.
غ. غ. غ.
Now, let's practice writing and pronouncing these basic voweling signs. When
غين.
is written with Fathah mark, the pronunciation now will be
غ.
Try to write it with Fathah mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
غنم.
Means sheep.
غ. ن. م. غنم.
Now let's join these letters together.
غ. ن. م. غنم.
When
غين.
is written with Kasra mark, the pronunciation now will be
غ.
Try to write it with Kasra mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
غش.
Means cheating.
غ. ش. غش.
Now let's join these letters together.
غ. ش. غش.
When
غين.
is written with Dammah mark, the pronunciation now will be
غ.
Try to write it with Dammah mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
غصن.
Means branch or twig.
غ. ص. ني. غصن.
Now let's join these letters together.
غ. ص. ني غصن
The letter
غين
has four possible positions: isolated, beginning, medial, and end. Let's write them. Let's handwrite the isolated form. Here is how to write the beginning form. Like
غني
means wealthy.
غ ني لي غني.
Now let's join these letters together.
غ ني ي غني.
And next.
غبي
Means stupid.
غ بي لي غبي.
Now let's join these letters together.
غ بي لي غبي.
Here's how to write the middle form. Like
لغز
means puzzle or mystery.
لو غ زي
لغز.
Now let's join these letters together.
لو غ زي
لغز.
And next.
ضغط
Means pressure.
ض غ طي ضغط.
Now let's join these letters together.
ض غ طي ضغط.
And next.
لغة
Means language.
لو غ هي لغة.
Now let's join these letters together.
لو غ هي لغة.
When those exception letters come before the letter
غين.
it will be written in the middle of the word. Like this. For example,
رغبة
means a desire.
ر غ ب هي رغ به رغبة.
Now let's join these letters together.
ر غ ب هي رغ به رغبة.
And next,
غرغرة
means a gargle.
غ غر ر غ ر هي غرغرة.
Now let's join these letters together.
غ غر ر غ ر هي غرغرة.
Here is how to write the in form. Like,
صمغ
means glue.
ص م غ صمغ.
Now let's join these letters together.
ص م غ صمغ.
And next,
مضغ
means chewing.
م ض غ مضغ.
Now let's join these letters together.
م ض غ مضغ.
When those exception letters come before the letter
غين
it will be written in the end of the word. Like this. For example,
بلوغ
means puberty.
بو لو و غ بلوغ.
Now let's join these letters together.
بو لو وو غ بلوغ
And next.
فارغ
Means empty.
ف ف ر غ فارغ.
Now let's join these letters together.
ف ف ر غ فارغ.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.
Don't forget to like this video. If you need any help, please leave a comment, and I will be glad to answer your questions.
Learning with Eman. Free Arabic course.